and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be making miniature slime supplies. So I'm going to be making a mini bowl, a mini bottle of glue, a mini spatula, and basically everything that you need to make slime, but in miniature version. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we jump in, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. With that all being said now, let's get started with today's video.
Okay guys, so first off, I'm going to be making a mini bottle of glue. I have a white straw here and I'm going to flatten it down a little bit using my fingers. Next, using a pen, I'm going to mark down where I want to cut the straw, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. Once that's done, on a piece of parchment paper, you want to start spreading out some hot glue. Let it dry a little bit, and then you want to place the straw on top. This is basically going to seal the bottom. And once the glue is dry, you want to peel it off from the parchment paper and cut off any extra glue using your pair of scissors. This is what it should look like, and now you want to do the same thing for the top. So I'm spreading out some glue, putting the straw on top. I'm gonna let it dry, peel it off from the parchment paper, and cut off any extra glue using my pair of scissors. Okay, so now you want to make a hole so that the glue can come out. Here I have my needle tool and I'm gonna warm it up under a candle. And I'm basically gonna use that to melt the glue and make a hole. So we pretty much have our bottle at this point, and I'm gonna fill it up with some white glue. I have this super adorable and tiny Elmer's glue label, and I'm going to stick some tape on top of it and then just stick it onto the bottle. Here is the mini glue bottle all completed, and it does actually work, which you will see later on in this video. To make a mini bowl, all you're going to need is a set of super cheap measuring spoons. I got this set from the dollar store, and all you have to do is cut off the handle. That's all you have to do. It's so simple and so easy. And if there are any rough edges, you can file it down using a nail file. This is the mini bowl all completed, and now we're going to be making a mini spatula. So the first thing you're going to need is a toothpick, and you want to trim it down using your pair of scissors. Again, if there are any rough edges, you can file it down using a nail file. The next thing you're going to need is polymer clay, and you want to start flattening it down using your fingers. I'm going to cut that in half, and then I'm going to pop the toothpick in. Once you're happy with your spatula, you want to go ahead and bake it in the oven for about 5 minutes. For the activator, I have this mini sauce bottle that I got from, I think, Amazon. Now it is a bit too long, so I'm actually gonna trim it down. And again, I'm doing the same thing to seal the bottom. I'm going to spread some hot glue, pop it on top, peel it, and then cut off And that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.